The new CTK VL06 integration kit for Volvo vehicles allows for a seamless upgrade when installing a single DIN head unit. To begin the installation, take a bojo tool and carefully pry the top of the main silver trim, following on to lift and pull away from the dashboard. Removing this trim will reveal two screws at both top corners of the dash panel. There are another two screws located behind the back of the panel, as well as another two screws toward the armrest. Pull the panel surrounding the gear stick out of place, and this will further reveal another four screws. Now that you've removed all of the screws, proceed to pull the dashboard up and disconnect all four wires located on the back of the panel. Now proceed to remove the two screws located on either side of the head unit and pull it out of the dashboard. Going on to further remove all four wires from the back of the OEM unit. With the car finally prepped, you can now concern yourself with the necessary wiring. We've started by connecting and configuring the universal patch lead and attaching the wiring from the stalk adapter to the previous button panel wiring. This vehicle is amplified, so we will connect our fibre optic loop to retain the amplifier. We will also connect the aerial adapter and a USB retention adapter that comes within the kit. In regards to the amplifier, you will need to route the extra long length of wiring found on the stalk adapter down the side of the driver's side dash down toward the rear of the driver's seat. Here, you will need to disconnect the following wire and connect it to the stalk's offshoot. Then simply tuck and tidy away the wiring. Attach the brackets found within the kit to your new aftermarket head unit. Once calibrated to the right depth, begin to attach all the relevant wiring to the back of the unit. Please refer to the manual for a dedicated wiring plan. Once you've connected all the necessary wires, you can then finally connect the main power harness. With the unit fully wired up, you can proceed to slide it into the dashboard and fix it back into place using the pre-existing screws. To make way for the new unit, you will need to remove the following screws to enable the removal of the LED screen. Once the LED screen has been removed, reconnect the following two connectors and replace the panel, screwing it back down into place with the pre-existing screws. Finally, take the new fascia panel and click it into place to complete the installation. With the CTK VL06 installed, the new aftermarket head unit will react to steering wheel controls as if it were OEM. For a full list of features and functions, refer to the instruction manual. We hope you enjoy your CONNECTS2 product. However, if you have any questions or queries, please contact us using the information shown on screen or contact us via connects2.com.